today's tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to enhance your performance by utilizing video layers for additional customization. One of VidJam's standout features is its fully automated capabilities, seamlessly syncing videos with the music, allowing you to focus on your performance. You can blend its automated capabilities with occasional manual input, crafting a personalized visual performance that still allows you ample time to concentrate on the music. In the previous tutorial, we explored using scenes to seamlessly transition between playlists. This time, I'll guide you through utilizing a video layer to dynamically tailor your performance, making sure it aligns with the music's energy and mood in real time. I've already prepared a playlist that's currently playing. Similar to our discussion on scene transitions, this playlist includes videos that have a beat grid, making them a perfect fit for segments of your set with a 4-to-the-floor rhythm. However, these videos might not be suitable for a breakdown, where the energy levels drop and the kick drum is absent. To address this, I'll first create a video layer. Then, I'll search for some lower energy videos using VidJam's tagging system and load these selected videos onto the new layer. This can be done using the layer's load button. Alternatively, you have the option to add videos using the file browser or simply by dragging and dropping them directly from a folder. Next, I'll adjust the grid's properties for this layer. The quantization will be set to 1 bar to guarantee that video launches are perfectly timed with the music. After setting the quantization, I'll change the blending mode from screen to alpha. Screen mode blends videos additively, letting the base layer remain visible. But it's not what I'm aiming for in this case. By setting it to alpha, the top layer will completely cover the base layer, as these videos don't have an alpha channel, making them fully opaque. For easy access during live performances, I can map these videos to a hardware device. I can either map the videos individually using VidJam's mapping mode, or I can automatically map the whole grid. Videos can be mapped to a keyboard, MIDI controllers, or a Stream Deck. I'll choose the Stream Deck since it provides me with video previews on each button. For more details on VidJam's unique Stream Deck integration, check out the additional video linked in the comments. With everything set up, I'm ready for the upcoming breakdown. With quantization set to 1 bar, I just need to trigger a video at any point during the bar preceding the breakdown for it to sync perfectly with the music. I can continue to trigger different videos as desired, or I can disengage the current video. This action will revert the display to the base layer, effectively returning to the starting point of our visual setup. That concludes this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.